Yeah,
Yeah.
what you up to? Aaron?
This is just the music, but as soon as I click this, you're gonna be like, what the hell? Wait.
Alright.
I'm making this my game character.
In what?
Godot. I'm making him 2D. I'm gonna do it 2D so it's easier to learn. I'm already coming up with ideas. I think like I'm like stuck in this cube and like I'll start talking to you. I'm like, I'm on my way to my hot date and now I'm stuck in this box. You gotta help me get out. That's the only thing I thought of so far. Cannot draw this straight line for the life of me. Oh, whoa. How does this work? Yeah, but then it's not as textured when I do that. So I'm gonna do 2D. I'm this cube, and I'm like, they spawn in, and I'm like, help! I'm stuck in this cube. I'm on my way to a hot date.
Send that to me.
You're in charge of the animations. Just hop on Discord. You're back. I didn't see it. Man, you got a ton of stuff. You're like, I got everything for everybody.
I and then she literally just gave me like 2 or 3 pairs of everybody.
I have. I just don't want to say anything. I just don't want to say anything yet. Yeah. So, what do you think about this?
Full face, bro.
So, I'm gonna put this in the game.
I think it's because they probed me twice. Dude, imagine getting a cold metal opener thing going up your butthole. Go, hey, let me just.
You're still explaining my nightly routine.
Dang, I'm sorry.
Did you game?
I can go.
Later.
Okay.
It has to be dark.
It has to be dark.
Yes. It has to be dark. Man, shut your ass up. Oh my gosh. Yes. Huh? Oh yeah.
Got yourself.
Yeah, I just got copper out of the front yard. From the front yard. Yeah. How do I got him out from the front yard. Oh my gosh. Dylan, I can't hear you.
What?
Oh.
Why not?
I guess you hadn't said anything just until now.
Yeah, I just hadn't talked much.
I sent it to you, by the way.
Send it in this chat. Oh, you did.
It's 100 by 100. I don't really know why I chose that, but that's what I chose. Why am I here? Because I need to be. Not sure why it crashed. Oh, it didn't even save anything. What the heck?
Where the fuck is this image saving if it's not showing up in my fucking downloads?
It's collision 2.
What file type did you send that as?
PNG, the superior of all file types.
What the fuck does the photos look like?
On your fucking hotbar, dumbass.
Ooh. What? Yeah.
Seeing that pop up right above your dad's face is hilarious. It's the Photos app is trying to anti-alias the shit out of that. Can you
Yeah.
tell?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna send you one without the white border.
Okay, well, for some reason, it won't let me... How the fuck did this open? Import it. Send it as a PSD file.
No, here. Take this instead.
The PNGs aren't working, Ethan.
It'll work. I've done it before.
I'm hitting import. Baby photo. Oh.
You might want to use this one so that you can add the polka dot stuff yourself. It's just higher res too. I think I would keep it 100 though.
I have an easy way to resize this.
So I would just recommend you to not use
I don't
that
think
app,
there's
it
an
seems.
option. It's good for drawing. Not so much up.
Krillin distracting me.
It should be easier to do this. How do you do this?
What are you stuck
I
on?
remember how to grab a color.
I think it's like the center middle something. Yeah, I thought it was the center like square between. You could just tap it. Is that what it was?
Yeah.
I witnessed a car crash today. And then gave a statement. No, I didn't testify. I gave a statement that the guy in front of me did it. Because he did do it. But like the bro was standing right next to me. And I was like, well shit, I thought he was gonna go somewhere else while I said this, but he was clearly distracted and didn't stop. For no good reason.
Why do you think your mouth should open when you're talking?
Why should my mouth open when I'm talking?
How wide?
Bottom half of the face, essentially. You could, I would just want you to like make like a bottom half of my mouth, and then I just use that, and then just have it animate my bottom part of my mouth to go up and down. If that makes sense. When did I make these extra layers? What do you mean layer, not edible? Editable. How? Okay, you're good now. You're good. You're good there. Okay, you're good there. Bro. What is happening?
Me? What are you talking about?
Boom. Okay, finally. Oh my gosh. No, I was talking to the game. Or, talking to this, Photopia online, which is... I was doing a gradient over like the whole image. Excuse me? What do you mean layer is not editable still? How is this not editable? Oh, I had...
Is my screen sharing on Discord?
Yeah, why?
Do you like it?
I'm not sure how noticeable it will be. I think you need my eyes to widen and my eyebrows to move at the same time. Why is my mouth lopsided, dude?
I noticed that, dude. Yeah. Here, I'll fix it. I'll try to fix it.
I do not know what I'm doing right now. I crashed Godot for like the second time ever. How am I back here? There we go.
Why did it increase the speed again?
I'll be able to control the speed from my end of things. Are you making a GIF?
I just have it looping right now.
Because the way that I import the animation is like PNG by PNG, you know?
Yeah, I've got layers.
Okay, I don't know how that will work though.
I mean, I should be able.
Why
to
am I
sort of
looking at
increase
Linus
the-
Tech Tips? I should be here.
you think about this, Ethan?
Where's my fuzzy border?
That's up to you.
Don't I need my polka dots? I need my pink and yellow polka dots right now. Besides that, it's a little freaky.
You can do something in your mouth. Like I can. Do you prefer that?
I think I prefer rickety teeth. Okay, they don't need to be gray. Let's do rickety, bruh. They're like just ash that are somehow like not deteriorated out of my mouth somehow. That's way too rickety, bro.
The problem is that this is the brightest fucking color on this entire thing, is that little pixel right there. If I go brighter than your fucking eyeballs, they're gonna be they're gonna be, it's color theory and shit. The problem is that I don't have. If I come in with my fucking smudge tool and do this.
Okay, brighten my face, and then we'll use the darker color, like of this photo. I'd probably even make it more red whenever I take damage, so that there's even more contrast when I take damage. So I would just straight up use a filter and just brighten the whole image.
I feel like I made your ear move.
I noticed. You're getting caught up in the details. I don't know, who should my enemy be? I need an enemy. Hmm.
This onion skin is terrifying.
The hell? Okay, Dylan. Please boost contrast and make my teeth not gray. This is unacceptable. My goodness. This is too much. Or make them a dim yellow. You could do a dim yellow. Also, I need a home page, a title page. I think I already have an idea what it should look like. Let me hit you with something. Somewhere here, and then we'll do. Do you see what I'm going for here?
Where the fuck is it getting that dark of a color?
Also, I think we need some ideas here for okay. Okay, I'm cooking up some ideas.
What the fuck is going on here?
Okay, Dylan. Listen up. I need you to listen up. Are you listening?
Sort of.
Then that's not good enough. I'm gonna copy and paste this.
Ugh. What the fuck are you copying and pasting?
Oh. Join
The key.
programming in FXE. He's in there.
Am I even in FXE on the iPad?
I don't know, but you can invite. I'm gonna join. I didn't know you're in here.
How the fuck did Discord close?
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
I just woke up. My mind might not be functioning properly right now. I need some coffee.
Yeah, so I found what delta meant. I'm still trying to figure out what it means. Like I see it, but I don't.
I see the words, but what the heck does frames mean? Like it delays something? Wait, I'm gonna read that.
So, your game runs at typically 60 frames per second.
Yeah.
So it's from one frame to the next.
from one frame to the next is what delta means? The amount of time.
It's the time from one frame to the next.
Oh. Like the time from one frame to the next, it's how your computer functions it, or like how the code executes it?
It so it's after your code is run, it checks to see
Yeah.
how long it was.
Oh. I don't even know how much FPS is my game.
So it's kind of good to use delta when you can, so that when you have animations, they I don't know. I just heard myself in the. Can I hear myself through Dylan's microphone? Is that what it is, or is it you, CJ?
I don't know. I don't hear any. Wait.
Gotta be mine somehow.
I guess it was yours, Dylan. Anyways, yeah. So
Damn account.
your animations run at the same rate your game does, I guess.
Oh. So it's
You wanna-
for
you wanna-
animations.
I think
You
so.
want to do delta because it makes it so that your game doesn't run off of your frame rate.
Oh. That's
Because
nice.
otherwise, if you don't do delta, if you start getting slow frames, the entire game slows down.
I think
Yeah,
that's
like-
this. I think this is separate from that, Dylan.
Is it?
Yeah, Delta's just looking at the frame rate. That's a different thing. That's tick rate.
I'm looking it up. I think I have it in my code.
I think it might be related.
No, like tick rate is Dylan, tick rate is like what they usually tie the time. They usually tie the frame rate to the time in game, and that's what you're thinking of. So yeah, CJ, some games do where instead of having like an internal clock or something, they use your frame rate to figure out how much time has passed. So
Okay.
when you start lagging, time slows down.
Oh.
And that can be a problem when you have a bad computer, or if you want to run the game at anything besides what the frame rate of the game runs at.
I have this function, which is processing delta. Wait, I'm gonna send it to you.
I'm doing very important activities at the moment. What? So you see the stream going on? CJ?
Wait, I'm
Or
checking.
F3 dumbass. Turkey head.
Yeah, I think that's so you fall and your character looks like it's falling according to frame rate.
Yeah. So that's how it is. Like it adjusts your game to delta? Or is it the opposite way around?
It's specifically that function runs off of your game. Off of your frame rate. So when you're not on the floor and you have gravity, the effect of gravity is times your frames.
So if not on floor, my velocity, which is y, will be positive or equal to gravity multiplied by delta, which is my frame. Is that what it means? My frame length. Okay.
Yeah, so if your game started lagging, you would gravity would be slower, so you'd fall slower to the ground.
Hmm. Is that a good thing for for Delta to add on? Like when you're lagging.
Well, that's a symptom of the problem, I guess. I mean, you also can use the frame rate to, update the that function. So you're using your frame rate to tell it to where to put gravity.
This is so complex to explain.
Yeah, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, and also understand it myself.
Yeah, but I can't understand it. Usually, I always use like that Delta code for my animation movements and stuff, but I can't really tell the difference because I'm only using like 4 frames per animation
Mm.
and it just loops around, so I can't tell anything. My I think my uh, I'm gonna change something like what you said to me
Mm-hmm.
on that uh on your last stream when we last talked together. Like
Mm-hmm.
that plant is gonna shoot out that poison ball.
Yeah.
I already made a plant that pops out of the box, but I think I'm gonna make an animation for that ball. I don't want it to just be like a ball floating around.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. It's either you use an animation with a hitbox, or you make it its own entity or an own node that follows like a random path, and then it has a hitbox like that. But that's more complex than like a set animation.
Yeah, the easiest thing that I've done using
Oh, fucking
my
second.
enemies, I only used like a path, like the path
Mm-hmm.
node. So path 2D, then followed by the child node path follow, then adding my adding my enemy design with the hitbox and everything to that path follow, so it follows the path.
Mm.
It's very simplistic, but this enemy popper, I didn't use any path nodes. It's simply on code. It only works on code.
Yeah. I didn't know
So
the path node doesn't bring the hitbox with it. That's weird.
yeah, when I used the path node, it didn't. I no, it bring the hitbox with it. I just had to use my saved up enemy file already with the hitbox, so it can follow the path.
Mm.
Wait, I'm gonna load my. Where's my share screen? Oh, whoa!
Are you
It did.
looking? Are you looking at Dylan's drawing?
Yeah. Is he
Can I?
making like a new profile picture?
Oh, yeah.
No, this is the player, and it's the 2D game we're doing.
What are you doing?
Um, kind of
You like the
figuring it
little
out,
animation?
as I go. Can
That's
I?
nice. That's how
Can
I did it too.
Can I have 2 more teeth, please?
Bruce losing. Bro
I
only has 3 teeth.
I need 2 more, please. I feel like there's room on the right for sure, and then like maybe put like a nub on the left.
That's not how I thought that was gonna work.
That's distorted as hell.
What the hell? What are you doing?
It's very cool.
I look like Hagrid. PS2 Hagrid, and when you warped it like that. I'm trying to watch CJ stream, but it's. Oh, you're
Oh,
watching.
okay.
You're
It's
watching.
it's very simplistic.
What is? What is?
Uh, the movement of the enemy popper, like that plant that pops out of the block.
Mm.
I just need to make a variable for it and make a what do you call that? Make a value for it to move how many pixels and the time for it. And I just need to
Mm.
mention that on functions.
Yeah, I think I understand that.
And the other ones are way more easier, but it's so complex. Look at all of this. This is the this is only
You're
one
sh-
node, by the way.
you're
This
streaming
is
your.
enemy path.
You're streaming your Discord.
I'm streaming my Discord,
Yeah.
but
Yeah. So I can only see
uh,
your Discord.
you're only seeing yourself.
Yeah.
Entire screen. Yeah, this one. All right, here. I mean, this is easier. This is harder, but you can understand it easier. Unlike this one that consists of many paths, it's easier, but it's way more tedious to handle because I had a problem with this that when I changed one enemy path, it would change everything. So I had to put it on like separate nodes, and it cost me like 2 hours to do it.
Hmm.
Look at all of these nodes, bro.
Yeah, you would have to do. I would almost like. How would you do that? Oh, I would have. I would have done. A new game scene. For
For the path,
for the world, and then which I think you did do, and then. Yeah, wait, why is it so many things? That's crazy.
What bit
Yeah.
is your tiles? Are your tile sets in? What size are they?
what size is my tile sets?
Yeah, like what by what? How many pixels by how many pixels?
32 by 32. Like my blocks, the usual ones.
Okay, you're doing 32 by 32.
Yeah. Then all of this below, like the dirt blocks, I just filled it up, made the dirt block size bigger.
Are you using the tile map for that?
What?
Are you using, is it tile map?
What do you mean tile map? I only used
What
I
node?
made it.
Oh.
I made a scene for that, and I used this one. It's just static body 2D.
Oh, okay. I was gonna use. There's something called. Where is it? Tile map layer. Node for 2D tile based maps. I thought that's what you're. A node for 2D tile, but a tile set which contains a list to create grid. Unlike tile map only has one layer of tiles. You can use several tile map layers to achieve. Oh, interesting. Okay.
What did you mean by my enemy path?
Oh, I was thinking about how I would do it, and I realized
Why the hell
that
is my
I don't know what I would do.
So you mentioned that I make an enemy path on a separate scene, like a game scene. I already did that, and I saved that enemy path. But when I had to load it into this game, into the main game, somehow it all connected to each other. Like it all made it into the same path node. So I had to make a separate enemy path, like a type node 2D, then uh, make all of these different paths followed by path follows and a lot of enemies that I could each manually just add a path for, instead of like adding one path and then all of the others would change.
Yeah. That's a lot.
It's complex. I had to
Mm.
troubleshoot that for 2 hours. Ah, I think I have to make arts now. A slime ball, poison ball. How will I do it though? With the particle effects and everything. That's something new.
Yeah, I don't even know how particles work.
Frog, by the way.
I think I'll just make a frame by frame of the pixels following that ball changing.
That's a frog?
And 30,
What?
yeah, I'm just an outline. And 32-bit.
I thought that was a rabbit.
Why is it more difficult? That's his eyes.
Oh. Yeah, those look like rabbit ears.
Yeah, just
Oh
I don't
yeah,
have everything yet.
I can see the frog. You just have to color it.
Yeah.
That's why it looks like a bunny because it's white. I have to make something.
It's really the background's like clear.
I need to make. I'm also gonna make my own music, background music for this. So I think I have to download something like FL Studio to compose.
I can help you with that. It's what I have a lot. It's like what I have the most experience in out of anything game related.
Music?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Me and Dylan. When Dylan isn't obsessing over one thing, he can probably help more. But
Okay, so I can do that, but I can also smoothen it out. What would fit? What color? Filled with light only. I can try. Whoa.
The heck? Why won't this node?
Ooh, it's looking really like a frog. I've been trying to imagine that while making my character for the first time, but then I just gave up and made a solid block instead.
I would have done the same.
Hi, I'm Carmen.
Is that the frog's name? Carmen?
No, that's unoriginal.
Uh,
This shit isn't centered.
I'm gonna make some coffee.
okay.
Oh wait, I gotta finish this block first. Looking real good. Finally made the perfect circle using Minecraft as my guide since it's all pixels too. But I'll
Right.
make it a different shade. Don't want to copy it fully. There's lighter blocks here. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's like almost transparent. It's somewhere here. Then all of this is close to transparent. Darker ones, then a darker shadow here, but all of this is light. Okay.
That is not what I thought invert was going to do.
That looks decent. I'm fine with that. Now for the particle effects, how do I make that move frame by frame? Gonna duplicate. Okay.
I'm doing real animation shit and it's pissing me off.
Ooh, what are those? Layers?
Yeah. It's too many. We'll do a 3-point turn. By 3-point, I mean, okay. So let me start. Just block out the eyes.
Yeah, I need a snack.
Oh, I can do this. Wait, I think I can. Wait. Is it better to add an outline? Oh crap. How to make a trail for this? Are you trying to make the frog blink, Dylan?
I'm making him turn around.
Oh, like a transition effect?
Yeah.
Oh. Here's someone watching YouTube.
I am back.
Hello. Hey, Ethan, is this decent for a trail, or should I add like particle effects for animation?
I like it, but the thing is that your grass is also really green, so it's gonna blend in.
So we should make it what? Color yellow?
I was thinking maybe pink.
Pink. Okay.
Orange will have high contrast.
What will orange? Well, pink will also have a lot of contrast.
It's because pink's not a real damn color.
Neither is orange. Boom roasted.
True. Well, no, only in the realm of paint. No, brown's not a real color. Fuck you, brown's not a real color. Orange is real.
Who the hell is that?
Who the
Brown
hell?
is just orange with context.
Okay, let's change this.
Nobody cares.
Okay, that's a little dirty green. I hate that. Light. I'll just copy this. 7788 on yellow. So 7. $89. That's good enough. Now it looks really like a slime, like a poison ball, because it looks so yucky. 88 and 82. It's 41 and 99. $69 and 99. Wow, magic number.
What am I doing wrong?
On what?
I'm trying to add a signal, which I think I
On-
have my hitbox to show when it's been hit.
Show when it's been hit? Like on the terminal? Or it's gonna print it out?
Sure. Which I
It's
mean,
gonna print-
I have signal, and I just named it hit, which is what I need. But then I'm reading the manual, the documentation, and it says to add it after a string of code, and then a string of code that it says to add it after doesn't make sense.
Wait, I'll check on that after I fill this up. 69 and 88.
It doesn't explain.
Oh shit. Oh, damn. Does this look like a slime ball? Or a poison ball?
Hold on. I have Dylan's thing all the way max. I can't see yours. Why can't I see both at the same time? Yeah?
That's the froggy. I think I should change my main plant to look a little more similar to this color so that you can kind of understand why it should sit like that. But it's also part of the theme, like a green plant can shoot out yellow darts for like poison stuff on some games. So yeah, it kind of fits the theme too.
Yeah,
Since
I
it's just
just
a pixel game.
I think uh with a brighter color that
Yeah.
isn't like green so it doesn't blend into the grass is good. Could really be anything.
Yeah. Anyways, wanna share your screen? I wanna see what kind of code you're looking at right now.
It's
Oh,
not
by the
even
way, for
it's
you
not
to see the code like for other people like sharing screen, I think
uh-huh.
you can shift and do some wait. I think I did that once on my code. Oh no, not that one.
Hello.
Yeah, shift. I mean control and scroll your mouse so that you can zoom in.
Hmm. Hold on. I had to comb out my cat. She has a flea on her.
Oof. I remember my grandparents' cat having fleas. They bite the shit out of me. What is that? You have 3 scripts currently? And I can see it. Wait a minute. This is mine. Control, scroll. Enemy path. Clear. Yeah. Need to adjust the sounds on this. Ah, what happened?
For having not animated in like 5 years, this isn't too bad.
Wait, let me check. Watch. Ooh, that is way better. Turning animation for the Froggo. Plus it's blinking. I can never do that on 32 by 32.
This is 32 by 32.
Wow. Outstanding. Wait.
Yeah. But I've still got room to maybe do a little bit of a hop animation.
I think that's what I struggled the most with when I tried to make something similar like that. The hopping one, since I cannot, without making my legs too thin, so that I can make a jump animation.
I've got a little bit of room. I might have made him too big. Um,
Yeah, besides, you can only just make a freeze frame so that the game script does all the work for you.
yeah, well, I could go all out and make it so he's got the jump up, and then he's got the apex animation, and then he's got the falling down where his arms are below him.
Ooh. You already have a idle animation for that, dude?
No, he is
I think it's
completely
just
still.
it's just gonna be a blinking one if it's an idle one.
Which would be easy.
Yeah,
I could
easier
do
than
it in
that.
2 seconds. I really just need.
Oh no.
Oh. Interesting.
What the hell?
What are you looking at?
Half this shit's Ethan's that he drew.
Can I adjust? Wait, I'm gonna open my player. Bro, no, not that. Yeah. Open an editor. Jump sound, inspector, volume. How do you adjust that?
Mm.
Oh shit, that's loud. Make it only. Will this change it though?
Tell me what FPS you want me to make these animations at.
Frames per second?
Yeah, like not the real frames per second, but like, like because you can run the game at 60 FPS, but the animation might be in 12 FPS. That's what it was
Yeah,
told.
I think 12 fits it the most
Okay.
since you can adjust the speed of it. You can manually adjust the speed and frames on the game itself when you add like an animated sprite node. So if I wanted to make it turn slower, then I'd make it a 6 FPS, like twice uh 2 times slower than the turning animation, original turning animation. Oh, bro, why are you going back at that? If it's on the negative decibels, what would that sound like? Whoa, I think I found out a way how to adjust that sound. So I think negative 20 is good enough? Or is it way too... Okay, to adjust more. 10? Negative 10. Okay, I think 5 is the sweet spot for this. So it doesn't pierce your ears while you're playing it. Find my sound effects unnecessarily loud. Okay, time to change the others. -5. That sound might be fine at a 0, 0. Stomp sound should be -5 too. Let's check. All right.
What did I do wrong?
Wait, I'm gonna check it out.
Hmm.
Can you control and scroll up so that like that.
I'm at.
Oh, what the heck?
So I decided to see if I could do something. This is already fine.
What is?
This is already.
What did you try?
I was trying to separate the code for movement into its own node for movement.
For movement?
And then I was gonna do health here, and then I have stuff for his hitbox here. So when he is hit, it triggers in here, and then sends it over to health, and then comes back over to the main character for things like animation.
Yeah.
And
I think you can only just mention that on other codes, right? So that it's connected. That's what I did to my player.
What do you mean mention it?
Like mention a certain part of your code that will trigger, and once that triggers, it will send a signal to the other script, and that will trigger too.
Right. The only thing that's not working is that it doesn't know what is on floor means.
Oh.
I think it's
What?
because when I did it on character body 2D, it did the built-in script. And so
check.
But I feel like is on floor is fine.
Script. Or the GD.
Is on floor.
Mine is if not is on floor. What is yours?
If not is on floor. I copied and pasted
If not
it.
is on floor. Velocity positive or equal to get gravity and times delta.
So you have on your movement, you have var gravity is equal to what is that? Get
var gravity is equal to 900, and it's not a it's not a variable, it's a constant.
Yeah, I could make it a constant. I've used Godot has a built-in gravity number for 3D. I don't know if it has it for 2D, but I could just set it to whatever I want.
I tried the built-in one, but somehow I was struggling to make it work. Like it's not functioning properly.
Wait,
On the built-in one. But it's probably just the UI since I wasn't used to that. The input ones, UI input,
Mm.
left and right.
Oh yeah, move and then gravity. I don't know. I'll try 200 because I don't really know what any of this. Yeah, but it still has no idea what is on floor means somehow.
What is okay? If not is on floor, velocity equals get gravity. Why
Do I need
doesn't
to
it
change?
know
Do I need to
get
change?
gravity?
Well, no, it's still stuck up on is on floor though. Function is not on floor, not found in base self. But this, well, I had just deleted it, but it was fine in the previous code. But maybe that's because. Oh, I think it's because it's a character body, and then this is just a regular node.
Oh yeah, if it's not working, it probably extends the wrong one. I'm using character body 2D as the main node.
So what I can do is just do.
You can
What?
change that
What is it?
into
On.
what's your name?
What is on? Isn't it on process?
On ready?
Okay, on ready. I was gonna do on. Underscore process.
Yeah, underscore process.
Underscore process.
Function underscore physics underscore process parentheses delta. Then a colon.
Why is it asking for a name?
One animation's all I can figure out today. My head's hurting. Not actually, just I'm confused as hell.
You did that on mobile?
It's on an iPad. I've got a pen.
That's crazy.
Where'd you send it?
Shit. Okay. I'll send it in.
That Halloween stuff is.
It keeps confusing me. I'll send it.
Okay.
It should have an associated chat.
On area 2D body entered.
Signal. Maybe I need to make this its own thing.
Wait.
Add it as a signal.
I think to make it the signal, it should
What is
probably
the
be
best-
in function.
I thought signals are just in like the first part of the code. Like it doesn't even need to be in a function.
Oh.
And then you connect. But that wouldn't make sense. But yeah, I went into here signal. I don't know.
You can make your own signal.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Signal is on floor, and then attach it to movement, and then I was wondering if it would identify it then.
Yeah, I have a scene group, and I name it player, so that I can make a daY I can make a daY function for it to mention it. So it's similar to what you're doing right now.
Extend signal. But it's not seeing it. But it's also because I don't know how signals work.
Is that your first time trying out that signal?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just saw somebody else use it. So I was like, I'll try to use it.
I think if somebody else tries to use that, if you use that signal, I think you need to have knowledge, the full knowledge on how that works. I think he just copied it based on what he did, and not what the process.
It's from the documentation, and then it wasn't working, and so now I'm working backwards.
If you're
Dude, why
trying
is
to search
Discord
for
so fucking?
if you're trying to search for documentations, just make sure it's Godot 4, not 3, because some shit is outdated.
Yeah, 4.5. It's hurting my brain, and I should have just left it
Are those
all in one code.
the ones I sent? I think that you should be fine if you put them into your little game. I don't have a fucking clue how to make that animate. Ethan might.
No.
But try just replacing your little guy, which these guys are going to be a lot fucking bigger. 'cause they're
Did you
taking-
make a sprite sheet for that, or is it like different files for each picture?
different files for each picture?
Yeah, that's fine. For each frame, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can load that up. It's really simple to make an animated sprite.
So hopefully you're like, because your little guy was like
Blocky
6
as
by
hell,
6,
yeah.
right? Yeah. So this is going to be like 8 times that size.
Oh, don't worry. I can downscale that to make it as big as the other one.
You wouldn't want to, because then it's going to make the pixel size not match.
Oh yeah, that's true though.
So I would do instead of that, I would change your world and just do more of your tiles for the world.
that's changing everything.
The map? Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Don't worry. I can all of those, like those blocks, is connected to a node. So when I edit that one node, it will edit everything.
I hope.
Because when you said 32 by 32, I was like, okay, so I just took a 32 by 32 and drew him in that.
Yeah, it might be big
Yeah,
enough.
it is. You know, you were doing like 8 by 8 for your little guy.
Yeah, small.
Yeah, think like Mario. 8 by 8 means that every single, like Mario's 8 by 8, but every single block is 8 by 8 too. So when you're saying you're doing 32 by 32, it means every single block's going to be 32 by 32, but you want your character to be 32 by 32 as well.
Yeah. I just need to make it relate, like correlate to each other. Like if this is 32, the other one must be 32, or else it will be fucked up.
It'll look
It
weird.
didn't contrast that much on my smaller dude because it was only just like steady color. So it didn't look weird enough to make it visibly weird. But yeah, I could see that changes on the pixel, even though it's like a whole block with no shadings at all.
Ugh.
Which I don't have any shading on this either. I'm not good enough at art to do that.
Oh, that's fine. I don't need shadings for my game yet. I'm gonna look into that later on. While Ethan is struggling, was deleting everything.
No, wait, not multiplayer. What the heck?
Wow, straight to multiplayer?
No.
I'm watching CJ watch Ethan stream. I was like, what?
Expected. What do you mean what do I need to declare it as? Player? Is that not good enough? I can't just say class as a player? Or player's class?
You can make wait, what do I call that? I made something for that. Here in groups, you can add a new group and name it player, then it will just be called on directly when you mention that. On scene groups, I have one here. Yeah, look, it's if is out and body is in group, the player, which is capital P, body daY. And then the player.gd.
I had to pull up
Enemy
your
kill
stream.
free. Yeah.
Alright, y'all are talking about some esoteric shit. I'm gonna try to scrounge around some food because I have eaten nothing today.
That's good. I'm gonna eat later on. I'll make some coffee first.
Okay, I have an idea.
Sure. Let me check.
I'm gonna put this back and figure it out later.
Where is your stream?
Why
Oh,
are
it's over
there
here.
men kissing? Why are you looking at that, CJ?
Where am I? Oh, it's in spam chat.
Why'd you look for that?
No, there's something unread here. Like, here.
Right.
4:18 a.m. A wild F3 dumbass appeared, and then I scrolled up, and then wow.
Yeah, that's crazy, Dylan. Why are you doing that for?
Yeah, just this one.
Okay, and then I'll just save that for later. Okay, and then health. And then area, and then player. Okay, and then here we have player. Reading the official documentation is might just be making me like more confused than watching a video somehow.
That's why I focused on the user interface first, because it will fuck me up, even though I know codes. Because you have to mention some sort of stuff that only functions specifically for the app, unlike in real programming where you don't need to mention everything. You all make everything by scratch.
Right.
That's a long name for a body entered.
Yeah, so the way that they were showing an example of like, so if your enemies are area 2D
Entering that body. Yeah.
and you enter theirs, you get hit by them.
Hmm.
And then I was trying to signal that over to health. Oh man.
Health? What is your what node type is your health?
Just node, that's it.
Oh yeah, sure, that's fine. You've gotta add a interface for that, a canvas layer node as a child for that, to add pictures or sprites to visualize that health bar if you want.
Yeah, I was thinking about that later, but first I was gonna try to connect it up to everything, because it's not even connected to anything right now. It's just a variable sitting in the node.
I'm gonna make some coffee. BRB.
All right.